Well, good afternoon, everybody. I gotta say, what a difference a day can make. We left yesterday's video. Basically, we were up $500 roughly for the year to date, and now we're down 254. So we've had a reversal of over $600 here overnight, and that is mostly attributed to that big trade I took yesterday, AMD. I gotta tell you, what a difference a day can make. If I would have waited till today, well, let's just say I could have saved myself almost $700. I mean, kind of strange. Overnight or this morning, there was some analyst, which you know my feelings about analysts, but there's an analyst out there that swapped his recommendation from buy to sell, which is a big deal. They usually go buy to hold or hold to sell, or they make one step. So for somebody to go buy to sell, kind of set the world on fire a little bit. And for the most part, let's you add to that down market day, and well, that's where we're at. Down $650 since yesterday. I mean, this is long term. This is out till September. This one's January 17th, so this one could be a problem because if I'm going to get assigned on that, then yuck, that's not good. So first priority, well, let's look at this. Our Intel order supposedly working. Did I enter that wrong? Because I thought I had set that to close at 70% and it's at 84%. So let's do this. Let's cancel that order because I very well may have screwed it up. And let's go like this. Let's just close the position. 9 cents. No, let me go back for a minute here. Positions. What did we receive on that? We received 50 cents on that, so we could sell it. 9 cents would be fantastic. In fact, let's excuse me, we got to buy it back. So buy it back at 8 cents midpoint. Let's try that real quick. Rejected. Oh, do not have enough funds to buy it back because I'm in the negative up here. Okay, so what do we got to do here? We got to do some account management. Let me see. Yeah, this messed with the buying power effects. I obviously can't even buy something back that's at a massive profit. What is the best way to go about this? We're even on our silver shares. Let's do this. Let's close that position quickly. Review, send order. Boom. We've closed the silver position. Now we have some buying power and we can go in and close this position at 9 cents, 8 cents. Send that off and should have just stuck with the 9 cents. That's what it was suggesting. That's what it would fill at. And boom, we're done. So we closed that Intel position for a profit. Now we're back at where we have some buying power for options and stocks. And we just sold our silver at, give me just 2 seconds. I'm going to look at notifications on my phone quickly. Sold silver today at 27.49. So let's put that in our chart just to finish that out. Let's see, we sold that 100 shares at 27.49. We lost $8 there. But because of the premium we had collected prior, we had still made $25.87 on that silver position. So even being in a panic and having to do some management, we did just fine there. So let's go back to TastyTrade and All right, and let me just double check also. I want to see, we've got to update our Intel trade there. We sold that at 9 cents. So back to the chart and Intel. We have closed that position as of today for 0.09 cents and 0.12, I believe. I forgot to add that up there before. I know there's no, because we let that expire. So how do we do there? On that trade, we have made a total of $39.75 and made, let's see where we're at here. So far we're up $68 on Intel. Not a big deal. Let's see here. No, excuse me, I'm wrong. We're down $59 overall on Intel. We made $68 on the wheel, and we've lost $59 on. Oh no, we're up. Can't even read my own chart. Sorry about that. I need to simplify this a little bit more. So we made $68 on the wheel. We lost $59 so far on the stock, owning the shares, but we were overall still up $9.62. So that's not as bad as it looks. So, and like I said, we've got a little buying power back now. I just wish I would have waited a day on this. It's just I've been thinking about it, and I just jumped into it yesterday while I was recording. And man, one day would have made a huge, huge difference. But it is what it is, right? We can work with that. This AMD position, those 125 or $3 in the money on that. I may want to roll that expiration out. We can go out another week and collect 77 cents. We can go out to the end of the month and collect $3. That $3 right there is a big deal. That's pretty much what we're out of the money on right now. So that would, just kind of mentally break us, even lowers our cost basis. And so let's do that. Or we go one more week and we pretty much get almost $1 more, 90 cents more. This jump right here, though, from the 24th to the 31st, that is massive. That is so worth doing. Makes this one look less appealing and that one look less appealing. So let's do that. We're going to go to the 31st here on this trade and $3.02. That's the bid price and send and receive. So let's, all right. And now it's saying the mid is 305. So let's do that. So okay, so we're saying we're going to collect a little bit less. We're willing to collect a little bit less. Not a 302. Am I thinking about this backwards again? Saying the mid price is 305 and oh, I didn't unlock. That's the problem. Okay, unlocked. Let's just go to the flat $3. There we go. We're filled. So let's go back to the charts and go to the AMD position. And what we basically did is we have, in effect, closed that. I do not remember. Let me look at my phone one time here quickly. Okay, so we closed at 4.85 and 12 cents there, and go over here. So, oh, silly me. This is today's date. 4.85. So in theory, we lost 287 there, but we basically turned around and immediately opened up another for the 31st of this month with a strike price of 125, one contract, and we collected 785 on that. So 1.13. Oh, okay, there we go. So overall, we lost 287 on that. We sold for 783 here, or we bought this back at 485. We sold this for 784 roughly, we'll call it 785, and that's our $3 difference that we have gained. So, and now we have 2 more weeks for AMD to recover some of the losses here. So I think that's probably all I want to do today. Again, we're losing a little bit more money here, but it is what it is. We will watch and see what happens. I want to say AMD does have uh, earnings coming up soon, uh, just after this expiration we have there. So glad we got that in there before expirations, and earnings report is going to have an awful lot to do with how things shape up for the rest of the year for AMD for us. So again, I was excited yesterday, made our biggest trade yet on this account. Technically a trade that was too big for this account. I think I stated that when I was doing it. But like I said, I can get more money in this account if I have to. I just don't want to. I probably should have pulled that trade in one of my other accounts, but I was thinking about it, talking about it, so I just did it while we were here. So I think that's about it for today. Overall, pretty much a red day. Carnival's doing a little bit better for us. This hymns purchase here, or that's doing all right, 36%. Mara's still kind of holding in there. We're still up $72 on that trade, even though the crypto space is going down right now. But you know, this is a longer term play. This is February 21st. So same thing with hymns, February 21st. So this, as of this week, we have Friday. We have our put on Carnival Cruise Lines and Celsius expiring, and those are in the money in theory. You know, we could maybe roll them and collect a little more premium on those. Let's take a quick peek at that. No, this is enough for today. We've done a lot. We sold our silver, we rolled our AMD, and we're just going to leave it at that. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will be back here at it on Friday for you again this week. Like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff so the algorithm likes us. It doesn't cost you a penny, and it will help me an awful lot so more people can see what I'm doing here and hold me accountable. All right. Thanks again.